How to use Talkie Soulful AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Talkie Soulful AI. So first of all, just go to your Play Store and on the search bar just search for Talkie AI app. And here's a very interesting one. So Talkie Soulful AI is an application that allows user to chat with AI characters in visually immersive way. It offers a diverse range of AI personalities for user to interact with and even allows you to create your own AI companion. One of the standout feature of Talkie is in lineup of AI personalities. User can chat with the famous virtual characters or create their own. The app provides a universe of AI personalities for user to explore, connect with and tap into like never before. So when you open the app, you will be greeted with a selection of characters that are available to you to chat. These characters have unique design, with many of them even being animalized. Additionally, Talkie includes a cool feature that allows you for instant voice messages, which set it apart from other AI chat apps like Character AI. Once you have selected a character to chat with, you can follow them and access recent Talkie shops to see exclusive cards and information. You can even send messages to the AI characters and receive suggestions for reply. Although the quality of these suggestions may vary, although Talkie offers a visually engaging and user-friendly interface, it is important to note that compared to other AI chat apps like Chai and Character AI, it may not be as advanced in terms of features like bot rating and easy chatbot creation. Nevertheless, Talkie is a great starting point for those who are looking to explore the world of AI personalities and have meaningful conversation with virtual characters. So this is basically how you can use Talkie Soulful AI. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.